Hello everybody, we just got off the bus.
An hour bus trip.
We're about to begin the journey.
Alright everyone, get your gear on.
Do you have any thoughts?
Oh,
No,
we're
really.
gonna, I think,
Be ready, guys.
I think
Be
we'll
ready.
make it till Burley.
Yeah, we'll make it to the spin.
We'll make it.
We'll make it to the spin.
We'll make it to
Easy
the
9 hours.
Easy 9 hours. See you in 20 minutes.
Like the final one. I say Burley.
We're like the ones gonna go.
Actually, no, I say Burley. We're gonna be fine now. Yeah. But we'll be complaining like shit by then.
Okay, guys, we are 20 minutes into the walk.
Are we? I thought we were like 10. Are we?
We are. We're 20 minutes into the
20
walk.
minutes in the walk.
Frustration.
Zero.
Zero.
We've been
McKelly
split up
is
with
going insane.
We've been split up with Kobe, Theo, Roman. Them bitches ain't doing the shit. They're cheating and they're walking on the street and not on the beach.
Yeah.
Hello everybody, my name is Daniel Panov, okay, and today we are walking. We've been walking. How long have we been walking now? Hey, be careful with the iPhone 15 Pro. Hey guys, this is my phone now. We're doing a video. Look, we're here on the beach. Whoa. Okay, we're going to meet Roman, Tom, Theo, and Kobe at the McDonald's. We will discuss them to come at the beach. See you next time. Kyle is ridiculous. If you see us in the club, we'll be dancing all night. What do you mean? Excuse me, bro. What? Wait, this is excuse me, bro. I forgot the line. Kyle is ridiculous. Excuse me, bro. If you see us in the club, we'll be and I'm not your bro. All night. If you see us in the club.
First stop at Macca's. Time is 9:41. We are ordering breakfast. Still 26 kilometers to go.
Okay, everybody. We're arriving at McDonald's now. Okay, buy a babysitter bloodbath. No. I'm taking the video. This is so good, bro. You see how it's Hello, everybody.
When we go on Burley, Hey.
Hello. We're eating.
Hey guys, we're back to another video. We got everyone on the beach now. All the filthy. Hey, retake it. Hey guys, we're back at the beach. We got all the filthy people that didn't want to go on the fucking beach to come on the beach. So, woo! 5 kilometers down, maybe more. Update video. How far forward? Like 7 kilometers. Like 7 kilometers.
Hello, everybody.
Yeah!
We're about to cross. Our next step of the journey is to cross this river. We hit absolute rock bottom. You can film it, but like. Okay. We made it across. We made it across. We hit rock bottom. We have no other choice. This is it. We're in our last straw here. We're all losing our minds. We're all losing our minds.
I can't. At least your bits are coming.
We have to cover the next part. See you on the other side. Okay, guys. We've officially made it.
Let's go. Guys, this is an update video. Out of the water. Go. About 19 kilometers in. Just arrived to Miami Mountain.
Oh my god.
This is where we have to go all the way.
All the way down there. Alright everyone, we're deciding which house to rob. Okay, I think we're thinking about this one right here.
You gotta say the time, you know.
Oh yeah, okay. The time we're like less than half. It's 12 o'clock. And the timing that we've like walked like less than halfway back, you know. We've all done that shit and stuff. And it's like I say like about like what 4 kilometers maybe.
What?
Yeah. Yep. That's it.
Say the whole group.
Yep. Here they are. Whoa. Bastian, Daniel, Roman, Tom, Cameron, Kobe. Yep. Anyways, see you in the next hour. Oh yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. We are at my voltage and okay guys, we're 21 kilometers down. We're 21 kilometers down and we're very itchy.
balls are,
On our way to Pack Fair.
our balls are killing us.
My balls itch.
Kobe, help me, please.
No, Kobe.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh my god.
Bad Kobe.
Hey, Kobe, put the camera on me. Put the camera. Put the camera on me.
Alright guys, we are currently on outside Pack Fair. Probably 22, maybe even 23 kilometers down. The walk is honestly killing us. Everyone is going insane. Kobe's dancing. Daniel's been dancing. Everyone's dying. But I will see you in Pack Fair, so have fun. Peace.
This is kilometer 24, and we're all sitting at Pack Fair. Roman's enjoying his meal. Daniel's finished his Big Mac, and he's having a hamburger in his pocket.
Indy's here. Day.
I haven't. I'm here.
I just bought.
And then Theo's over there. Theo. We have about 2 hours left of travel, and
you fashion Mario.
3. Great. Okay.
Don't you?
Were you gonna swear?
Oh, you're gonna break the.
Wait, Indy, do not swear.
Fuck.
Say it.
Squeeze into the side.
It's really long.
Okay, the time is 5:11. We're at the Diamonds currently. See you sometime. I don't know. Hello everybody. Hello Theo.
We like down there.
Very, you can't see it on the camera. Just over there maybe. Might see it. We walked very far. We've been through the shit and back.
We are tired.
We're here from the trenches. We've been in the dirt, in the mud. And we have like an hour and 30 still to go. And maybe 2 hours. We're all losing our minds.
2 hours?
Yeah. The Q1! Where? The Q1! Yeah. No, right there! The Q1! The Q1! No, right there! The Q1! Stop! Leave us alone!
We're about, I don't know, like an hour away from the spin.
Yeah, not an hour away.
An hour and a half. An hour and a half away. The city and the systems there.
Yep.
We can actually put the whole line. And then there's Michele and Kobe. They're about to kiss. And then there's Theo there. Yeah, bye.
6.6 kilometers.
How many minutes?
1 hour, 20 minutes.
We only made it 10 minutes?
That's bullshit.
What the fuck?
That's bullshit.
Stupid fucking shit! Fuck you!
Oh my god.
Okay, update. Shit's hit the fan. Crazy crack woman tried to viciously attack us. A lot of people want to go home, but we managed to pull through. We're almost there. We can see this bit in the horizon.
I feel a ton in blue.
Yeah, we're all pretty exhausted.
Stranger. Was high on ice or that.
Yep. Alright, bye. Almost there. This bit is right there. You can see it. We're so close. We're all very desperate. And Tom, for some fucking reason, is all the way over there. His dad said he would pick 2 to 3 people up, but he would arrive in 20 minutes. And Tom decided to run all the way over there, even though he has to still wait for these wonderful gentlemen. we started jogging. We realized that Tom is already there, and we got really jealous, and we said, "Fuck it, let's run." So now we're running. We've had enough of this shit. We're all ready to go home. There's Theo. Update, we just passed the bridge with the putt. We're about to approach the actual spit, like the rocks and shit. What are your thoughts and opinions?
It was good. It was pretty easy. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. It required a bit of time, but
Light work.
at the end we made it. It took us 9 hours, as you can see on this watch. But you know, it was worth it at the end.
We finally made it. Come on, what's your thoughts and opinions? It's tiring, but I'm getting my shit. Why? Because and the lights on me. No. Why? What?
I like juice.
What? By the way, Cameron, I don't actually hate you. I just wish you could be here with us, you know, enjoying the view. It's very beautiful here, you know. I mean, blinded currently by the flashlight.
All the way to there.
Yeah. Swim. We gotta have to swim.
I'm gonna swim my right, I'm gonna keep walking.
Tom, what's your thoughts and opinions on this journey? It was good.
Yeah. It's cold. I wanna go home.
Daniel, we're all a bit tired for the thoughts and opinions on this.
Man, we found
Kobe, what's your thoughts and opinions on this journey?
I love it.
Ashley, what's your thoughts and opinions on this?
This is amazing, bro. This is the best we've ever.
It's so painful. Okay, well, I'm very proud of everyone. It was a very grueling task. We're all probably going to get sick, but we did it in the end. And when we're all 50, we're all going to be telling this to our kids and grandkids that how one day, on this day of January, all these psychotic, disturbed children decided to gather together and do something great. For some reason, from Rainbow Bay to here. I'm very proud of everyone. Yeah. And I hope we can all have a good night rest tonight.